This is question 54 of Civil Engineering paper of GATE 2022 afternoon session. A group of total 16 piles are arranged in a square grid format. The center to center spacing between adjacent pile is 3 meter. The diameter and length of embankment of each pile are 1 meter and 20 meter respectively. The design capacity of each pile is 1000 kilonewton in the vertical downward direction. The pile group efficiency is given by efficiency equal to 1 minus theta by 90 into n minus 1 into m plus m minus 1 into n by m into n, where m and n are number of rows and columns in the plan grid of pile arrangement, and theta equal to tan inverse d by s. The design value of the pile group capacity in the vertical downward direction is. So, in this question, a group of pile of 16 piles are arranged in a square grid format. The center to center spacing between each pile is 3 meter. The diameter and length of the pile is given as 1 meter and 20 meter respectively, and the design capacity of each pile is given as 1000 kilonewton. Now, we need to find the design value of the pile group capacity, and the formula to compute the efficiency is also given in the question. So, this question is from the topic of pile group capacity. So, you may study about how to compute the pile capacity or pile group capacity by using different formula in lecture 42, Pile Foundation Geotechnical Engineering 2, Foundation Engineering by Professor Dilip Kumar Baid, IIT Kharagpur. So, just let's recapitulate the formula, different formula to compute the efficiency, and just understand in short what is a pile group efficiency. So, suppose we have a group of piles. Suppose this is a square group of pile 3 into 3, that is 9 piles in a group are arranged in a square pattern, and we need to compute the group capacity of pile, that is Qg. So, we may find the group capacity of pile by just multiplying the number of piles into the pile capacity of each pile. Pile capacity of an individual piles multiplied by number of piles, we may find the group capacity of pile. But in practical, this group capacity of pile may be equal to this n into Qu, or it may be greater than, or it may be smaller than by this n into Qu, that is the each pile capacity into number of piles. So, for defining this parameter, we have a group efficiency parameter, which is defined as the ratio of ultimate load capacity of the pile group to the sum of individual load capacity of pile in the group, and it is called group efficiency, as it can be seen. Efficiency equal to Qug by n into Qu, where Qug is the group capacity of pile and n is the number of piles and Qu is the load capacity of an individual pile. So, sometimes this efficiency can be equal to 1 or greater than 1 or smaller than 1. So, most of the time this efficiency is smaller than 1, but based on the soil strata condition and spacing of the piles and other parameters, the efficiency of the pile group is can be found. So, there are various formula to compute the group efficiency, and one of the those formula is Converse-Labarre equation, which is efficiency equal to 1 minus theta by 90 into n minus 1 into m plus m minus 1 into n by mn, where this theta is tan inverse d by s, where d is the diameter of an individual pile and s is the spacing of the pile, which is center to center, and n are the number of rows and m are the number of columns in the pile group. So for this question we have the value diameter of the pile is given as 1 meter, spacing of the pile is given as 3 meter, and individual capacity of capacity of individual pile is 1000 kilonewton is given in this question. So now and the total number of piles are 16 piles which are arranged in a square. So n equal to 4 and m equal to 4, as all these data are given in this question. So based on this data we may compute the efficiency of the this pile group. So first we need to compute this theta. So theta equal to tan inverse d by s. So d is the diameter which is 1 meter and s is the spacing which is 3 meter. So from here we got tan inverse equal to theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. So we got theta equal to 18.44 degree. So just compute it here. 1 minus 18.44 by 90 into n minus 1, which is n is 4 minus 1 into m is 4, plus m minus 1, m is 4 minus 1 into 4 by m into n, which is 4 into 4. So when we compute it, we will get efficiency as 0.7. So now based on this efficiency we can find the group capacity of the pile by the formula efficiency into n into this QU. N is the number of piles in a group and QU is the pile load capacity of an individual pile. So Ng we got 0.7, n is the total number of pile which is 16, and QU is the individual load capacity of pile which is 1000 kilonewton. So when we compute it, we will get the QZ equal to 11,200 kilonewton. So we got the group capacity of pile as 11,200 kilonewton. So the design value of the pile group capacity in the vertical downward direction is 11,200 kilonewton. So 11200, that is 11,200 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.